Have you ever longed to see commission notifications like this pouring in every day so you can finally live a life of time and financial abundance? Then stop dreaming, because I'm going to take you step by step and click by click through this absolute beginner-friendly, easy-to-follow 5-step system I developed and help you set up your very first lucrative income stream using nothing more than a free platform and automated AI content to drive traffic to a product you didn't even create, while still earning $200 for each and every sale, even if you have no experience and zero following online. Hi there, my name is Marius. So I used to be an operations manager, but then I found myself struggling to make ends meet after losing my job, my income and my life savings. So I know how it feels to be stuck in a job that sucks the life out of you. Long hours, late nights, and a sense of exhaustion that never seems to end. And on top of all of that, it's not even fulfilling or rewarding. I feel like there had to be a better way, and that's when I discovered the secrets to making money online. Fast forward to today, and I'm now a full-time online business owner, a coach and mentor, helping others break free from the 9-to-5 grind and build lucrative online income streams. So I revolutionized the rules of making money online, creating a level playing field for everyone and giving you a significant edge. No longer is online success reserved for the elite few. Today I'll share my proven 5-step system with you, empowering you to break free from the limitations of a traditional 9-to-5 job and build a lucrative online income stream. Well, by following along with me step by step, you'll be up and running, ready to earn money as soon as today, tonight, or even tomorrow. So let's get started. To earn commissions, you need only 2 things: a product and traffic. And here's good news. Finding a product is a breeze. We're going to promote a course, a proven system for building wealth and achieving financial freedom online. And the best part, you'll be sharing my free training series, the Rapid Side Hustle Launch, which introduces others to this amazing opportunity. I'm not going to delve too deep into the product, but if you want to learn more about the free training, enroll now, free of charge, and get an in-depth understanding of what it is you'll be sharing with others. You'll earn a whopping 40% commission for every sale made to somebody you referred, paid straight to your PayPal account. The best part, you don't need to sell anything. I'll do the selling for you. You can simply share the free training and be a hero, knowing that it converts students into eager customers. But here's the thing. To earn commissions while you sleep, we need to automate the process. That's where a funnel comes in. A funnel serves 2 purposes. It pre-frames potential customers, making them more receptive to the product, and automatically collects email addresses. Now, this is crucial because people rarely buy on their first encounter with a product. It takes a few interactions before they become customers. And let's be real, social media posts are like throwing a message in a bottle into the ocean. There's no guarantee it'll reach the same person twice. That's where email marketing comes in. With email addresses, we can show up repeatedly in their inbox, building trust and familiarity, and then ultimately driving sales. It's like having a direct line to their attention. And it's a game changer. Having an automated funnel in place is like having a sales team working for you 24/7. It nurtures potential customers through the buying process, follows up with them multiple times, and increases the chance of making a sale. And the best part, it builds a list of satisfied customers who are primed to buy from you again and again, creating a loyal customer base and a steady stream of income. Plus, it frees up your time to focus on other aspects of your business or simply enjoy the fruits of your labor. You can literally make money while you sleep. Okay, so now that we've covered the basics of an automated funnel, it's time to put it into action and build your business. Now, imagine waking up every morning with a sense of excitement and purpose, knowing that your online business is generating income for you and freedom for you and your family. So let's start by making a commitment to support each other on this journey. In the comments below, type, "I am committed to building my dream life." Then go to the comment above yours and reply with, "I'm supporting you." So let's build a community of like-minded entrepreneurs who lift each other up and celebrate each other's successes and victories. Okay, so let's get into it. Step one is to sign up for a free funnel hosting software. I highly recommend using the one I've linked below in the video description. Click on the link to get started. It's called Free Funnel Hosting Software, and it's completely free for life. No tricks, no trials. By clicking the link, you'll ensure a seamless setup process and guarantee that you sign up under me so that we can work together to build your online business. Don't do a Google search. Click the link below named Free Funnel Hosting Software. Then all you need to do is enter your email address and you'll receive an email to set up your password. Now once you've done that, please remain logged in on the page and keep the page open. Next, we are going to import our funnel by clicking on the link below in the description named Import the Funnel. Once you have imported the funnel, this screen will appear showing you've imported the funnel successfully. If you're in doubt, you can click here on Funnels and it shows over here. Then just click on the funnel name to return to this page. Our first step would be to get your affiliate link. The link serves to track your referrals and earn you commissions for each sale made through your unique link. In the description, I've left a link to a Google Doc. Please click on the link to open the Google document. The first thing you want to do is click on File here in the top left and then on Make a Copy so that you can edit the document. Next, in System I/O, click on Dashboard, then on Affiliate Dashboard. Next, scroll down to where it reads Your Affiliate ID on the right hand side of the screen. Click here on Copy Your Affiliate ID and head back to the Google document. Now you need to paste your unique link at the back of this web address. Make sure you don't accidentally leave any spaces. Now once you've pasted your ID, press the space bar and the entire link should turn blue like this. Head back over to System I/O and click here on your profile pic. If yours don't appear, don't worry, it's fine. Then click on Settings. On the left, scroll down to where it reads Affiliate Commission Payouts and click on it. Select PayPal and enter your PayPal email address. Then click on Save. So now we want to personalize the funnel. So click on Funnels, then on the name of the funnels. The only page we need to make changes to now is this, the laptop or living the laptop lifestyle squeeze page. So make sure to click on it, then click on Edit Page, head back to the Google Doc and copy the link by clicking on it. And then here on Copy. In the system, we want to change the link of the button. So hover over the button, don't click on it, but if you accidentally clicked on it, just click anywhere that there's no text. Then hover and click the orange gear icon, then click on pop-ups. Click here on the view icon for pop-up 1, then hover over the button and click the gear icon again. Change this to custom URL and paste your affiliate link in here. Let's just hit save to be safe. Scroll down to the next button and hover over the button. Hover and click the orange gear icon, then click on pop-ups. click here on the view icon for pop-up 1, then hover over the button and click the gear icon again. Change this to custom URL and paste your affiliate link in here. And let's just hit save again, just to be safe. Here where it reads name, simply click on the box and replace my name or the word name with your name, just so the funnel is a little bit more personalized. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and again click on the text box and add your name in here. Then hover over the photo and click on the orange gear icon. Under image file, click on the cloud icon, then on select file and choose a photo of yourself from your device. Once it's uploaded, insert it here, then click on save. Here you can type in start and just click out of the block to autosave. Click here to copy the link to your funnel because this is the link you'll be sharing on social media. So save it somewhere safe. Well, your funnel is complete. Congratulations. You now have a professional working funnel that's ready to generate leads and sales. You can use it as is, or you can take it to the next level by importing the email sequence and accessing the additional resources through my free step-by-step affiliate training. Next, it's time to drive traffic to your funnel. If you're unsure where to start, click here on my traffic video where I'll show you how to create 500 social media posts in just 15 minutes using Canva and ChatGPT. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content and training. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial.